Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a duet on TikTok. Let's get started. A duet splits the screen so your video play alongside another TikTok. It's great for reaction, duet, collabs, or commentary. Then, find a TikTok you want to duet with. Then tap the share arrow on the right. Then, if duet is enabled, select duet from the menu. After that, your camera opens. The original video plays on one side, yours on other side. Hit record, then add your part. After that, you can also use filters, voice effects, or layout titles, like top bottom, left right, or reaction mode. Then tap next when you're happy. Then write your caption and hashtags and hit post. Your duet is now already posted. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.